DNA Embodiment Part 2. In the first webinar, we worked with more the genetic memory fields, the denser information, which we've taken on from the ancestors, and transformed it and cleared it and activated so we could really embody into the DNA. As we move from more the human strands, the density which we've experienced on this earth, and we clear it, we start coming in and embodying. Then we start moving out to more finer strands of DNA. So if you imagine the more denser ones are on the inside, and then on the outside, there's more strands which have not been lived and not been used, not been activated yet. And then there's huge ones which flow in the system. These have not been incarnated yet or embodied yet. So in this webinar, I'm setting the intention to open up, or I've been guided to set the intention to open up these larger strands of your being. If you imagine we're whole beings, we are giants here on earth, and we've got enormous potential, enormous power in our system, and creativity and gifts. So in this webinar, I'm going to be focusing on the intention to open up these larger strands and activate these larger strands and to embody them and live them. This will open up your intuition and allow your whole being to incarnate into your DNA, into your physical aspect, and into your life at this crucial time on earth for total embodiment. So if this resonates with you, I look forward to seeing you at the webinar. If you haven't been in the first one, you can still jump in, and there's recordings there and you can work through that. And then we'll have the live one later. You can watch them as a living recording. Each time you watch them, they're going to get stronger and stronger and stronger. And yeah, it's really time for embodiment boundaries on your DNA, and to fully, if you imagine your DNA has all the information from all your lives, star lives, all lives. And as we activate and clear the denser strands, we raise consciousness. We go to other levels of consciousness. So this is activating your strands so you can embody higher states of consciousness. My sense is that if you simply meditate and go out and activate them up there, you're not bringing them into your life. That's what I learned years ago, is that I must embody cellularly. So this webinar is about embodying your spirit, your whole spirit, into your DNA, and literally taking over your own DNA, setting boundaries, and activating all the strands. The same strands used in all your star lives, in Lemuria and Atlantis. So we'll be opening these strands in this webinar. If this resonates with you, I look forward to seeing you there. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Thank you.